Did you know that your credit card can actually be the fastest engine for growing your investment portfolio, even if you never touch a debit card? When I first started with Acorns, I thought I had to use their specific checking account to make the roundups feature worth it. But after some trial and error, I found a strategy that lets me keep my credit card points while maximizing every single cent of spare change. Here's exactly how I do it without the fluff. First, you have to understand the mechanics. Acorns doesn't pull the spare change directly from your credit card. Instead, it watches your credit card transactions, calculates the difference to the next dollar, and then pulls that total amount from your linked funding source, usually your primary checking account, once those roundups hit a $5 threshold. To maximize this, the first thing I did was link every single credit card I own. Most people only link one, but if you have a card for groceries, one for gas, and one for dining, you're leaving money on the table. Go to Settings, Linked Accounts, and add every card you actively swipe. The more transactions Acorn sees, the faster you hit that $5 investment trigger. Second, I turned on whole dollar roundups. If you buy a coffee for exactly $4, most people think there's nothing to round up. By toggling this setting, you can tell Acorns to automatically invest a specific amount. I set mine to $1 every time you have an even dollar transaction. This ensures there are no dead swipes. Third, and this was the game changer for me, use the multiplier. If you really want to see your O grow, you can set a 2x, 3x, or even 10x multiplier. I personally use the 3x setting. This means a 50-cent roundup becomes a $1.50 investment. Since I'm using my credit cards for daily spend anyway, this turns my normal cost of living into a high-speed wealth builder without me having to manually transfer a dime. One pro tip from my experience, make sure your linked checking account, the one Acorns actually pulls the money from, has a buffer. Because you're maximizing your credit card swipes, Acorns might pull that $5 or $10 multiple times a week. By linking all cards, enabling whole dollar roundups, and adding a multiplier, I've turned my credit cards into a passive investing machine while still collecting my cashback and travel rewards. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.